Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you exactly how to create viral AI-generated POV videos that are taking over platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. If you've ever scrolled through your feed and seen those cinematic, AI-powered POV videos with millions of views, you might have wondered, how are these made? What tools do they use? How can I do this myself, even as a beginner? Well, you're in luck because I'm breaking it all down for you in the easiest way possible. Even if you have zero experience with AI or editing, by the end of this video, you'll be able to create stunning, engaging AI POV content that will not only attract views, but also help you grow your channel fast. Let's get started. Why POV videos are the future of viral content? POV storytelling is one of the fastest growing content trends right now. It captures attention instantly, immerses viewers, and keeps them watching till the end. But here's the catch. Not many creators are leveraging AI for this yet. This means there's a huge opportunity to stand out and go viral. By using AI tools to generate cinematic POV clips, you can create unique, eye-catching content that people love, make videos faster than traditional animation or filming, grow your social media presence quickly without showing your face. Now let's dive into the step-by-step process to create your own AI-generated POV masterpiece. Step 1. Creating AI-generated images for point-of-view videos. The first step is to generate high-quality, visually stunning images that will form the foundation of your video. For this, we'll be using Leonardo AI and Midjourney, two of the best AI image generators available. Step 1.1. Using Leonardo AI for cinematic images. Go to Leonardo AI and sign in. It's free. Select the right model. I recommend Phoenix 1.0 for a cinematic, realistic look. Set your aspect ratio to 9:16. This is crucial for Shorts format. Enter a detailed prompt that matches your point of view theme. For example, an ethereal angel waking up, soft golden light, dreamy atmosphere, cinematic focus, hyper-realistic, ultra-detailed. Link prompt in the description box. Feel free to take it. Click Generate and let the AI do its magic. Pro tip, if the results aren't exactly what you want, use the image-to-image feature in Leonardo AI. Upload your first image and adjust the strength to 0.20 for better consistency across frames. See? It's better. Leonardo AI is great for fine-tuned control over details. Midjourney produces more artistic, dreamlike effects. Try both and choose the one that fits your style. Step 2. Bringing your images to life with AI animation. Now that we have our AI-generated images, it's time to animate them. Because let's be real, static images don't go viral. Movement is what keeps viewers engaged. For this, we'll use Hilo AI, a cutting-edge tool that animates static images into smooth video sequences. Step 2.1. How to animate images in Hilo AI. Upload your AI-generated image instead of using default settings. Ask ChatGPT to generate a motion prompt for Hilo AI. Try, give me an animation prompt for an image-to-video owl called Hilo Owl to achieve a POV effect. The scene is an angel that just woke up and subtly stretching and twitching his legs. And here we got the perfect prompt to use for Hilo Owl. Copy and paste the animation prompt into Hilo AI. Click Generate and watch your image come to life. Repeat this process for all your images to create a sequence of animations. Step 3. Adding the right sound design for maximum impact. Sound is just as important as visuals. The right audio choices can make your POV video feel immersive and keep viewers engaged longer. Go to Pixabay or Zapsplat for free, high-quality sound effects. Search for ethereal choir sounds for a heavenly vibe, soft wind effects to add depth, distant bell tones for a mystical feel, subtle breathing or stretching sounds for realism. Pro tip, make sure your sound effects are layered and synchronized with the animations for a professional finish. Step 4. Editing and finalizing in CapCut. Now let's put everything together using CapCut, a free and easy-to-use video editor. Import your animated clips into CapCut. Arrange them and create a smooth storytelling flow. Add your sound effects and sync them with the visuals. Apply cinematic transitions, like fades and zooms, for a polished look. Export your final video in 1080p or 2K for the best quality. And that's it. Your AI-generated POV video is ready to go viral. Bonus, how to make money with AI POV videos. Creating viral videos is great, but how do you monetize them? Here are a few smart ways. YouTube Shorts, monetization. Once your channel grows, you can earn from ad revenue. Affiliate marketing. Promote AI tools like Leonardo AI or Kling AI in your video descriptions. Merch and print on demand. Turn your AI-generated visuals into t-shirts, posters, or NFTs. Sponsored content. Brands are actively looking for creators who make viral short-form content. Now is the perfect time to jump in. AI-generated content is still new and untapped, meaning you have a chance to become an early expert in this space. Final thoughts and next steps. If you've made it this far, you're now equipped with all the knowledge you need to create stunning AI-powered POV videos. Generate cinematic AI images. Animate them for a smooth, natural feel. Use sound design to enhance engagement. Edit professionally for a polished final result. Now it's time to take action. The AI POV niche is exploding, and the sooner you start, the better your chances of going viral and building a successful content brand. If this guide helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below. Let me know what AI tools you want me to cover next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.